What's up, y'all? It's Death Warrior, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make the best breakfast burrito at 8:21 at night. Alright, so what you're gonna want, 2 eggs, bacon, and some tortillas. Alright, so get your pan, put that thing on high. Step 2, you're gonna wanna get a little bit of an egg crack. Oh yeah. Oh my god, that was insane. Alright, step 2, you wanna scramble your eggs. Am I a fucking idiot? I literally said step 2 twice. Next step, you get some olive oil. Sizzling, dude. Just get a bit of olive oil in there. Next step, pour in the eggs. Alright, and you're just gonna wanna let it sit there for a bit. I think it's getting to the point we can do the most crucial part. Get the flip going. Double hand this one right here. Fast. Oh yeah, that is professional right there. You wanna pile on your bacon. Alright, so then you put that on here, and then you're gonna wanna take this plate, put it in the microwave for about, start with like 2 minutes. Oh shit. While the bacon is cooking, you're gonna wanna season your eggs. Go for a little bit of salt. Oh my god, look, I got so much stuff. Let's see if I can, oh my god, that was so sick. A little bit more salt, a little bit of black pepper. You're gonna want to do that again. Oh my, I'm literally a pro, dude, it's insane. Next step, you're gonna want to transfer your eggs onto the plate for the time being. Then you take a flour tortilla, put that bad boy in there. Unfortunately, this pan is not nearly big enough for this tortilla, but bacon is finished. Oh yeah, that's... Alright, now we assemble the sandwich. Take your tortilla, get the eggs out of there. Oh shit. Put the tortilla down right here. Get the eggs. Oh, that's just insane. That's just insane. You get your strips of bacon, you strip them in half. Oh. Then boom, you're left with this insane breakfast burrito at 8:30. It's a pretty simple thing, but I think it's just like one of the best things you can make with eggs and bacon. Oh. We got Reggie. Oh, say hi to everybody. Oh, he's so cute. Yeah, this has been Death Warrior, and I will see you guys later.